How to add Sonic Network to your Metamask wallet. As you know, Foxify uses the Sonic Network, which will need to add to Metamask manually. So go to Google, then search how to add Sonic Network to Metamask, and simply click on the search result that says Sonic Labs Docs. This will take you to the contract details, or the network details rather, and what I want you to do is copy the RPC URL link, because that is the one we are going to need in Metamask. The rest you can type in manually. Then open your Metamask wallet, go up top, and select Add a Custom Network. For network, the name, you go Sonic, and for the URL, you enter the URL, and as a name, you use Sonic Mainnet. And then go ahead and click Add URL. The chain ID is 146 and the symbol is S. Then go ahead and save. And because I already added it into my MetaMask, it's giving me this message. So just hit save. And if you go up top again, you will be able to see your Sonic mainnet right there. You can click it, and there you go.